Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yufi Safwan Fajar. I am from A1 class 2018 English Education Study Program, Language Education Faculty of IKIP Siliwangi. In this occasion, I will present the result of my thesis research entitled Developing Narrative Text Module assisted by Vocasio for teaching reading to 9th grade students of junior high school in Cimahi with discovery approach. On this occasion, I will also describe the background of research question, objective of the research method, development process, research result, difficulties when conducting results, and conclusion. Next slide. We can see about the table of content. The first point, we can say about the background of the research. Second, objective of the research. Third, research method and procedure. Fourth, research result. And the last one is conclusion. The first is about background of the research. To explain the background of the research, that become the basis of the research that I did. The first is that student understanding of recalled text material is still lacking, especially in narrative text context. Was taken because when I was in research process, at the time, student understanding of narrative text was still lacking. At that time, even student found it difficult to understand the material presented by the research. And the second, we can see about the material learning has not been widely used. At this stage, the teacher is still fixated on class books and doesn't use teaching material that should be used so that students are able to be more aware of receiving material from the teacher. Of course, the teaching material used in learning will make it easier for students to learn. The teachers teaches students to accept the teacher says. Then the third, teaching material for reading narrative texts that are used need an appropriate learning process by using a learning model that must be relevant and in accordance with the needs of students themselves. The discovery learning model is a model used by researchers to carry out a learning process. It is necessary to know the success of students other than teachers, namely the use of teaching material. Teaching material are the most important part of the learning process because can help student understand what the teacher says about the material. In this slide, we can see the first that I create background of the research is narrative text comprehension among students. It's still weak. Yes, when I observe before I research about this thesis, I asked the student about the narrative text. The student not understand about narrative text, especially in the generic structure about the narrative text and about the fixers in narrative text. And to be honest, the student can know the definition about the narrative text itself. So the researchers make or create the research about narrative text material. So in the second, the usage of instructional resources in the classroom doesn't boost student enthusiasm in learning. And the last one about the technology is not used enough in education. So the researchers in the background of the research want to make an objective when education and technology have to combine to make the education can to improve, can to upgrade in the future. So we can next slide in the objective of the research. The research objective in this research that I did the first were to identify the process of developing narrative text material. The second, to find out the student response about the product that they create by the researchers. And the second, to investigate the researchers' difficulties in developing the material. So the next research method have to 3 point. We can see about the types of the research. The researchers use the R&D research with ADDIE model development method. And the research subject location, the researcher subject are 9 grade student at SMP Negeri 8 Cimahi. And the research method, the researchers use questionnaire and interview to get the data about the student response. And the last, to identify the difficulties when the researchers developing the narrative text material, the researchers used field note. So in the research procedure, when the researchers choose the ADDIE model, we can see about the first stage is analyze. According to Mulyatiningsih 2016, we know as R&D with 5 stages of research. The first is analyze, the second about design, and the next stage about development, implementation, and the last one about evaluation. The results, when the researchers create about the development research of the narrative text, the researchers create about the module reading of narrative text. So we can see scan about the barcode, so we can know about the product. The first is about module, the second is about Victor sequence concept, the story about Spider-Man. The research result, when the researchers observe and get the data, use the instrument questionnaire, the majority of students give the applied instructional material a very suitable rating from the questionnaire, scoring an average of 87%. And the second, the researchers interview the student. Majority of students gave the applied instructional material a very good rating from the interview, scoring an average of 84%. In the difficulties developing product by the researchers in the analysis stage, the first previous studies consideration and the second class range consideration. In this analysis stage, the researchers have to consider about the previous study, who can compare the data, who can compare the process, that the researchers can have the more references to create the product, and exactly about the, especially about the thesis, about this thesis. The second class range consideration, the researchers want to combine the product material in a relevant class, an appropriate class. So the researchers choose 9th grade in junior high school. So in the design stage, designing layout for module, In this stage, the researchers have to design about the module with beta version because the module have to include about the whole of narrative text, such as the first about the definition, fixers, and generic structure, especially about the example story line. At the development stage, the researchers have the difficulties about the selecting the story. The researchers have to ask before the student, the student more interest in the kind of narrative text such as sci-fi, fairy tale, or legend. So the researchers can get the student answer about the point of interest is sci-fi about the superhero. So second, the difficulties in development stage, the researchers have to filter, have to select the choosing application because at the same time we know about the more application to create the product, but we have to pay. The alternative solution, the researchers choose Focusio application because Focusio application have the advantages. The application have to collab with Marvel Studio Universe and Fix Arts Universe. So in this application, more story about the sci-fi and fairy tale such as Thor, Shang-Chi, Spider-Man, iconic superhero, Iron Man, and the fairy tale such as the Snowman, Maleficent, Frozen, and so on so far. The last one, the researchers' difficulties in developing product in development stage is designing picture sequence. Yes, designing picture sequence. The researchers have to combine the application from the Focusio, edit to Adobe Photoshop, and collect with Canva application. So it's have to more time to create the picture sequence concept. The conclusion, the first, the development process is carried out in 5 stages consisting of the analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The researchers use the ADDIE model in the research and development research. The second, based on the test result, the score interval for the student response of narrative text teaching material is discovery approach assisted by because you obtain the very suitable criteria. The third, the teaching material that have been used in the learning makes student unsaturated and motivated in using narrative text teaching material and make it easier for student in the process of reading narrative text. And the last one, constraint in developing narrative text material assisted by Focusio are in the analysis, design, and development. The researchers overcame the difficulties in making this product by looking at the various existing references. So thanks for the opportunity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Konyol.